Wi-Fi disconnects frequently in Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's fix this issue. First, click on the search box at bottom left and type in View Network Connections. Once you open the View Network Connection, here you will see your Wi-Fi adapter. Right click on it and then select Properties. Click on Configure. Now go to Power Management tab at top right and uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power and click OK. Then you have to check whether your issue resolved or not. If not, proceed to the second step. That is, you simply need to click on the Wi-Fi icon in the task bar at bottom right. Click on the forward arrow next to your connected network. Right click on your Wi-Fi network, then select Properties. Under Network Profile, here you can tap in the private network if it is set to public network. And then you need to simply close this window and check if your issue resolved or not. So the next method you can try is simply you need to head to the search box again and type in services. Click open and once it opens, you need to find WLAN AutoConfig. So you can scroll to the bottom of your screen and let's find out WLAN AutoConfig. So if the folder is available on your device, you can simply double click on it and set startup type to automatic, and if the services is not running, click start and click apply to fix the issue and then click OK button. And with that, you will successfully fix your issues on Windows 11. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.